So this product I found it at Walmart. The honey I found it at Walmart. The honey one. The coconut one I bought it in Amazon. Okay, and I have to say, I tried the blue one on this side and the honey on this side, and honestly, this is the result of my hair after working more than 8 hours, so it's not that bad. So far it's soft. It's soft. So yeah, this is the result. So I'm gonna show you guys how I apply it, what did I did. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned. Hi baby, say hi. My hubby's so cute. And there's Nico. Not bad. And honestly, you guys have to be mindful that I bleach my hair. So yeah, if it was my natural curls, which me está creciendo el pelo, my hair is growing. Anyways, pues aquí te la muestro como yo me lo apliqué. Here I demonstrate you guys how I apply it. Look at my baby. Oh, he just wants hugs and kisses. Voy a ponerlo para acá. Míralo. Hi. 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 Vio algo. ¿Qué viste? Vio algo arriba. Anyways, back to the hair. So yeah, so check this out. Okay, so now that I washed my hair, look at that. It's time to comb it. It's time to comb it. So I already washed my hair. Okay, I like to divide my hair every time I am going to add product to my hair. This is so bad. This is so bad. Look, this is how much my hair, after I dye it, look, that's how much my hair has grown. So much. But yeah, I start in the ends very slowly. I don't look aggressively, but trust me, it's not aggressive. I'm literally doing it soft. So I like to go like this and then slowly, okay? Slowly separate it. And I like to go with the ends. So yeah, like I said, I look aggressive, but trust me, I'm not aggressive. I swear the worst thing you can do is bleach your hair. It makes so much damage to your hair. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, it happens. It happens, but whatever, you know? So I'm going to go ahead and put the product ends. I like to divide my hair so I don't like to, I notice that there's people that do review and stuff like that, and they grab the product and then they put it in like this. And I'm like, but what about the bottom part? So I just like to divide, like if I'm blowing it. So I'm putting it right here. I have been using this product right here. Well, this one I have used the most. I already have used it several times. And I have to say I do like it, but it does not, my curls does not last. My curls get a little dry after like certain time. I think they have a moisturizing, leave-in moisturizing. I'm gonna try that better than the Mousse because I feel like it just dries my hair after like the third day. It just like my curl doesn't last. Yeah, good. But the smell is so good. But yeah, like I have been using it for like several times. Yeah. It is a mousse para los rizos, define los rizos. So it's supposed to define your curls. Medium hold for soft curls, define curls, add body and shine. Like I said, it says no alcohol in it, but I don't know why. But it smells really nice. I like how this one smells. It's really, really good. It's actually my daughter's favorite. This one, I have already used it maybe like 3 times. But today, this one I'm using. I don't like to shake it. Should I do one side? Yeah. Okay, I'll do that. So on this side, I'm gonna do the blue one. And I've used it like maybe 3 to 4 times already. I have used it. And what I like about it that is it lasts long. It lasts long. Okay, because I already have used it in like it's a good size bottle. All right. Look at that. You see how it gets? I'm telling you, you don't need a whole lot. So look how it gets. Mira. Like you don't need a lot. Look. See that? You don't need a lot. So, and it's a mousse. So, yeah. No necesita mucho. You don't need a whole lot. Like, look. This is all I'm putting on. Like 2 pumps. Okay? And watch this. Like, you don't need a whole lot. And I like to combine with the other one. Now, you can use your diffuser if you want to. I don't use diffuser because I am a mommy and I'm a mom and I have a pup and I'm always on the go. So I like it to air dry it. You know what I mean? Look at that. So yeah, leaving my curls like that. There it goes. There it goes. And I'm just leaving it like this. Okay, can you guys see that? I'm leaving it like that. All right, let me wash my hands. Oh my God, I just love how it smells. I love the smell of honey. I just love it. So yeah, you don't need a whole lot because you know, te pega and it looks like soapy-ish, very lathery and stuff. You know what I mean? So you don't need a lot. Okay. Aquí atrás vamos a poner un chin más, maybe 1 pump. And that's about it. This is what the curls is looking like. All right. Can you guys see that? That's how long my hair is. That's crazy. My hair grows so fast. But I'm going to let it air dry. Okay. So I'm try this one on this side and this one on this side. And I'll show you guys clips of how my hair is going to turn out. You can use a diffuser. Diffuser are really good to use also if you want to use one of those long things that people use. You know what I'm talking about? They're long, you can bend them. You can use those and those are very helpful also. You can use rolito, you know what I mean? Like those rolls that you clip on to make your hair curls. You can twist them. A lot of people like to twist them. And you can do overnight, or you can just wake up, do your hair, and leave the curl stuff on, and then do your, you know, the chores or whatever. And then in the evening, you can take the curl out, and you know what I mean? Diffuser are just helpful just because in the winter it's not good to come out with your hair wet, period. But I'm, like I said, I'm on the go. I don't have time for that. So I have to literally just leave my hair like this and just do what I have to do to make, you know, time for everything that I have for my day. So I'm going to go through the day and I'm going to show you guys my results. All right, so I'm here. So throughout the day, obviously I put this one, okay, on this side. And honestly, here's my curls. What I like about it is that it's soft and it's my natural curl. And like I told you guys, I didn't put too much because it's just too much. No me gusta mucho. Me puse más que un solo chin. Okay? And then here I have the honey. Okay? Right there. Right there. Yeah, this one is more defined. But let me put it like this. You guys can see. There's my curl. But to be honest with you, the leave-in condition I heard is so much better. I heard it's so much better. Yeah, I like them both, but I love how this smells. I love how this smells, but yeah. So I have been playing with it. I just like how, I don't know if it's capturing it in the camera, but you know. Okay, do the other side. Mira que chulería. Okay, and I did my hair. Oh, I think it was like 6, 7-ish. One of those, 6, 7. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit dry here. And in some areas it's super dry. But like I said, this is the Mousse. But I heard the moisturizer. Look at this. There's my ponytail. But I heard that the leave-in is so much better. But yeah, I'm gonna go to Walmart tomorrow and get the leave-in. The edges one is really good. I'm gonna be cleansing my face and I'm going to be moisturizing my face. This one has retinol and it's a serum. And right here, something popped up. I don't know what it was, but like I was freaking out and it went down. It went down. So I'm happy. And then I have like sunburn. Wait. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to face wash. I'm gonna face wash and I'm going to moisturize. And retinol is really good at nighttime. I highly recommend it to do it at nighttime. So yeah, that's one thing that I would tell people, because people always like, oh, do not put something with retinol or vitamin C and go on and go burn in the sun. You know what I mean? I don't recommend that, but if that works for you, I mean, that's on you, but I don't recommend that. Get something that it has sunblock. Get something that is gonna protect your skin, and you can get tan. Something wrong with tanning, you know. It's just that there's a moisturizer that you should not be under the sun, so you have to be extremely careful and make sure you're reading. Retinol, especially this one, and honestly, their face wash is really good, but I highly recommend their face wash on people that has like really bad acne or really oily skin. So if you have very oily skin and really bad acne, their face wash, you should get it. My kids are fighting, but yeah, right now I'm doing this one, which I like it because right here I was hella dry, and on the here I was super dry. I don't know why, but then here I was so oily, like in this area, but then here I was super dry. But I like this one so far, and it's really nice on my skin. And what I like about it, that it takes makeup waterproof makeup. But yeah, let me go wash my face. Have a good night, day, whenever you're watching this video, and on to my next video. Mwah, mwah.